Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you how you can make money using YouTube but not showing your face at all. So for this we will create videos, relaxing videos with river sounds, ocean sounds, fireplaces sounds, like this channel. So as an example I just want to show you what is the potential of such a channel on YouTube, the earning potential. So if we go here, I already checked out the potential earnings, but I'll refresh so you guys can see. This channel makes on average $49,000 per month just by streaming some relaxing videos. You can see the videos are pretty long, 3 hours. So you can make them an hour long to start with. If you want to go ahead and make them 3 hour long, good. The longer the better, obviously, because you're going to have ads. So that's where you make your money. So let's go ahead and show you how you can do that. So if you want to get some sounds for free, you can go to pixabay.com, but you also have multiple other websites that you can use. So let's pick a sound here. We want to create a video with this sound. Heavy rain, let's download it. So we get that sound. For the video, you can go to pexels.com and I already typed rain. You go to videos and over here you can select some videos for your YouTube videos. So let's take this one. That looks like a nice one, a relaxing one. So you download. You can donate if you want. So now we will have to edit the video and sound. I'm using VSDC Video Editor. It is free. So what you want to do, you want to go to new project and let's calling rain YouTube. And let's go ahead with this. So you just want to download the video and the sound. So the video is going to be right here. It should be right at the top. Okay, this is our video. Let's bring it here. Yeah, from cursor position, it's all good. Okay, here's our video. So now we want to get the sound. So let's go here. And here is our sound. Insert to layer, yes. All good. We have it as well, but I'm going to put it right at the bottom. So here we go. We have our video, we have our sound. Now what you want to do, you want to loop it. So the video and the sound is going to be longer than over here. This one is like, what, 30 seconds. And the sound is 57 seconds. So we want that to be longer. So what you'll do, you'll just extend it right here. So we'll do that on both. All right, so what you want to do to loop it, you'll go to properties here. And here you're going to have the loop mode. You click on it, loop video. And for the duration, so change it to, you can change it to an hour if you want. So an hour here. That's perfect. And you're going to do that as well for the sound. So property, We'll go to loop mode. So here's our rain. Go to property. Here, loop audio. Same thing. Let's put an hour. So you go to an hour here, change it 00 and 00. And that's that. And once you're done with that, you're going to go here. And this is going to be your video. So what you want to do, you want to export the project. So you'll export it to AVI or MPG, whatever other format you want. You export the project. It's going to take a while because it's an hour long video, but you can make it even shorter. You can make a 10-minute video if you want to start with and to see how it works, and create a YouTube channel for meditation, relaxing sounds, whatever you want. Like that's up to you. You can create whatever you want. There's plenty of choice for that, and it's gonna pretty much look like that. So it's gonna be an hour-long video of just rain. So that's that. Once you export it to the format you want, you just go to your YouTube channel. So let's go ahead. You go to your YouTube channel here, your videos, and over there, you can just load a video, put a title, small description, and that's that. Then you have your relaxing video and sound, and hopefully you can make money of that. So I just started this channel, and I just started to create some videos like that, as you can see. But it's pretty easy. You just go here, create, and you just upload your video right there. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.